In this video, I will show you how you can create a video using the high-tech cyberpunk pack, just like this. This video I created was edited using the Wondershare Filmora video editor. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how you can edit a video like this yourself. So here we are in the Wondershare Filmora video editor. Here is my project. We have all my video files here. And on top here we have all of the titles from the high-tech cyberpunk pack. And by the way, if you like this song as well, it's also built in here in the audio. It's under electronic and it's called Red Eyes. It was this one here. I just liked it because it kind of fitted the theme of like the whole cyberpunk gaming PC kind of vibe. I'm just gonna mute the track for now so it doesn't get in the way of me talking to you guys. So I filmed this video with a Sony a7 III and I also used a slider to get these kind of smooth animations. I am running it at half quality right now, just so that it's a little less straining on my PC. Pretty sure you could also get very similar shots using like a phone and just like a cheap gimbal as well. So the cyberpunk pack comes with 25 different variations, different animations, and if you want to like preview one, you can literally just click on it and hit the play button. Gives you an idea of what that should look like. The awesome thing is there's lots of different varieties, lots of different designs, so you're pretty much guaranteed to be able to find one that I think you'll definitely like. In my case, I thought this just went really well with a tech video. The whole futuristic tech thing just goes really well with like technology videos, any kind of gear kind of videos, anything where you're showcasing any kind of modern technology and gadgets and stuff like that. So to go back to the video, let's just click on the timeline. Anyway, here, let's go to the start. Okay, so let me just show you very quickly how to apply these titles. So I'll just go to the first title here, and to get rid of it, just press delete. And to use it, literally all you got to do is just drag it into your timeline like this. When you first drag it onto your timeline, it obviously has its like the default text. All you have to do is just double click on it and then you can change your text here. You can even change the font size, the actual font that you want to use, color, space, all this other stuff that you can also adjust very quickly and easily. We can even like transform it, rotate it around. So yeah, lots of customizability here. But as you can see, as you type into the box, it changes your text. We had example build here, and then the other text, just click on the actual title there. And this was gaming PC. Again, just to show you how this would work. So for example, changing the text space, rotating, so lots of different options to suit whatever needs you have. I like it nice and big, so it's a bit more visible. I'm just going to put it actually within the actual border of the actual graphic as well. And I'm going to repeat that for the example build. I'm thinking just make the text space bigger. There we go. Okay, that looks good to me. But you can do whatever you want. You can drag this text wherever you want, depending on, again, what you want to do. So that's pretty much it for editing the titles. And if you double click on this title, you can use this window to actually move the whole thing around, change the size or rotate it or move it how you like. Another thing that I did was towards the end here, I overlapped some of these title packs just so that the animation, it ends. So this one ends as soon as that begins. So it kind of just joins together and it just kind of creates a kind of more cohesive look. And I did it at the end here as well, where they just kind of like merge together like that. So you can see the text from the previous title, it's still there as the next one starts, but it just kind of fades in and out. So it's almost like it's transitioning from one to the other. Now, over the course of this video, I've shown you about, there's 9 different titles. So they're all different animations, all different styles, colors, all that kind of stuff. But remember, there are 25 different titles that you could potentially use. And I generally think they all look really, really fantastic. They're all really, really cool, very different, but still kind of, the same theme. So there's definitely something you'll be able to use for your videos to make them just look a bit more eye-catching, a little bit more interesting. And they really suit this theme of anything kind of tech related. And just to complement the title pack, I made the actual footage. I graded the colors of the footage to make it match a little bit more. So to do that, you can literally just click on this tab here, Advanced Color Tools, and then go to Color Correction. Wait for that box to load. And if you scroll all the way down, you should have the cyberpunk theme. So what it does there is it kind of punches up all the colors, makes it a little bit more vibrant. There are, again, lots of different styles here you could go depending on the kind of video that you're making. But for this particular video, I liked this one here. It was a bit more washed out, but it just made the actual lights and stuff kind of stand out a bit more, kind of like neon lights. For those of you who are a little bit more advanced, you can even go to the adjust and make your own personal adjustments. You can adjust things like the exposure, the vibrance, saturation, brightness, even like your HSL, and add things like vignettes, all that kind of stuff. So throughout the video, I'm also using some of these transitions. As you can see, there's one there and one there, another one over here. So they're all basically in the Filmora transition pack. So the first one we use here is a warp zoom. Again, just like with the title pack, you can literally just click on the transition, hit play to preview what it might look like. This second one over here is, I think it's one of the orb twists. It was this one, I believe. So again, you can just see what it looks like just by clicking on it. And to use it, it's just literally just dragging it into the timeline like that, between 2 clips. As you can see, there are a whole heap range of transitions that you could use. But I like to just throw in a few here and there just to kind of add some kind of slickness and polish, and particularly some nice movement in your video. So yeah, definitely would recommend using a few of them, but keep it subtle. So that's pretty much it. That's how I made the video. There wasn't really any other additional steps, but it wasn't very complicated at all. Very straightforward. Had a lot of fun actually using Filmora. It made it very easy to make very cool looking professional videos. I love the transitions, I love the title pack. So I hope you enjoyed watching how this video was put together and it gave you some inspiration on how to use the high-tech cyberpunk pack for yourself. You can check it out at the link in the description below and start creating your own cyberpunk themed videos. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Turn on all notifications so that you can keep on being inspired. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.